Gadgets Boy MWC coverage is brought to you by Vodafone UK. This year, Huawei is ramping up its MateBook lineup to compete with other sleek, powerful top laptops out there today. This is the new MateBook X Pro Windows notebook. It's slick with a premium metal unibody design, diamond cut edges, and a sandblast finishing that comes in two color options, the Space Gray and Mystic Silver. Picking it up, it is ultra slim and lightweight at just 14.6mm wide and 1.33 kg. For connectivity, you get two USB-C ports which support Thunderbolt 3, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB-A port. The USB-C ports can power your devices, and you can also use it to charge the MateBook X Pro from either of the two USB-C ports available. Open up the MateBook X Pro, you get a 13.9-inch display with a world's first full-view multi-touch screen that is 91% screen-to-body ratio. It's also very durable and robust with a Gorilla Glass finish. For resolution, it offers a 3K display that is 3000 by 2000 LTPS display with 260 ppi and 450 nits of brightness. It offers a 178-degree viewing angle, which I must say offers no privacy if editing confidential documents in public. Furthermore, you get a 1500:1 contrast ratio and 100% sRGB. Elsewhere, we have a fingerprint-ready power button which uses an independent security chip so your data is secure and not shared with the big brother. It's also very quick with 7.8 seconds load time from tapping it and logging in. Moving down, you get a full keyboard that feels really nice to type on with a decent travel as well. The backlit full-size keyboard is also spill-proof with the largest clip pad seen on a 14-inch notebook. One innovative surprise though is the camera. On the top row keyboard, there's a recessed camera hidden under a camera key. Pushing it slightly reveals the camera and same again hides it again. Under the hood, there's Intel's 8th gen i7-8550U processor chip at the top end. It's 40% faster than its 7th gen predecessor. And that coupled with 16GB of RAM, 512GB SSD, NVMe storage, you should experience no lag. For graphics, there's a built-in Nvidia GeForce MX150 graphics card with 2GB of GDDR5 RAM. You can also plug in an external graphics card, so if you need more power, you can do that via the Thunderbolt 3 port. Let's not forget sound though. The MateBook X Pro comes with a quad speaker setup with split frequencies, so you get two bass speakers towards the front and two treble at the back. The speakers are housed on the double suspension system to separate the speaker from the motherboard and the chassis, preventing distortion. In addition to the speakers, you also get 4 microphones built in, offering a 360-degree listening experience. With how portable the MateBook X Pro is, the charger in the box is also a USB-C pocket charger. That will get you 6 hours use on a 30 minutes charge. It supports multiple wattage and ampage, so you can use it around the world with no issue at all. You can also plug in or use it to charge your other devices if you wish to do so. Anyway guys, do let us know what you think in the comments below. More information and detailed first impressions will be on our website gadgetsboard.co.uk. Do check that out, the link will be in the description as well. Thanks for watching, catch you guys in the next one.